Where can I buy a bird bath heater? If you are wondering where to find a bird bath heater, you are in for a treat. These devices are essential for keeping water available for birds during the cold months. Birds need liquid water for drinking and bathing, even in winter. A reliable water source can greatly improve their chances of survival and health. You can purchase bird bath heaters from various retailers. Specialty stores that focus on birding supplies are a great place to start. Stores like the Backyard Naturalist, Gullah Gullah Bird, and Duncroft offer a wide selection of heated bird baths and deicers. These products are designed with birds in mind, using non-toxic and flame-retardant materials. Some heaters are portable and can be placed inside existing bird baths, while others come as complete, standalone heated bird baths. When selecting a bird bath heater, look for features that directly benefit the birds. Thermostatically controlled heaters are efficient, turning on only when necessary to prevent freezing. This not only conserves energy but also keeps the water at a safe temperature. Insulated heating elements are another feature to consider. They direct warmth upward, ensuring that the water remains accessible without wasting heat. Additionally, some models have nonstick coatings that reduce corrosion and make cleaning easier. Clean water is vital for birds, so this feature is particularly helpful. When using a bird bath heater, keep the water level shallow. This prevents birds from getting too wet, which can be dangerous in cold weather. Adding rocks or perches inside the bath gives birds a safe place to stand while they drink or bathe. For birds, having a heated bird bath means a dependable water source all year round. This supports their grooming and hydration needs, making your yard a more inviting space for them. You can find bird bath heaters at online birding supply stores and local garden centers. Always check the product specifications to ensure the heater is safe, energy efficient, and suitable for your specific bird bath setup. By investing in a bird bath heater, you are helping to create a welcoming environment for birds in your area.